The process of summation. In dealing with raw data in statistics, we always need to add several numbers. Usually, the symbol here, the Greek capital letter sigma, is used in the process. It is read as the sum of, and it tells us to add certain expression. To illustrate for convenience, variables are used to present the data. Let x equals to amounts per students. X sub I is equals to different values or observation of x. X sub I is read as x sub I, where I is a subscript which indicates the position of each value in the given set of data. In this data, there are 8 observations: x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3, x sub 4, to x sub 8. Therefore, to read this, the sum of 8 observations from x sub 1 up to x sub 8. Substitute the data. Sum of 8 over I is equals to 1 equals to 30 plus 22 plus 36 plus 20 plus 32 plus 25 plus 28 plus 20 equals to 213. For example, consider the number of participants in the Math Olympiad coming from the 4 cities of the National Capital Region. Manila, 28, Quezon City, 35, Las Piñas, 25, Makati City, 21. Question: what will X represent the information given? What will the subscript indicate? Write an expression for the sum. What are the lower and upper limits in your expression? What are the formula for the summation and define the sum of the given information? Answer: X will represent the number of participants in the Math Olympiad. Number 2, I will indicate the position in each value in the given set of data. The expression for the summation is here. The lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 4. The answer is the sum of the sum of I 1 to 4 equals to 28 plus 35 plus 25 plus 21 equals to 108. And that's all. Thank you.